In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default duration for appointments and meetings in Outlook Calendar. This tutorial will be particularly helpful if you're looking to optimize your schedule and make your calendar entries more efficient. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already logged in, click the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're there, enter your email address and password to access your account. Now that you're signed in, we can move on to customizing your calendar settings. Next, locate the settings icon, which can also be found in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From here, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of that menu. This step will take you to a new page where we can tailor your calendar preferences. Once you are in the settings, navigate to the calendar section from the options on the left. You'll see several subcategories listed under calendar, and you'll need to choose events and invitations. This section will contain all the settings related to how events are managed in your calendar. Now scroll down until you find the option to shorten duration for all events. This feature allows you to set a default shorter duration for your meetings and appointments. It helps you create buffer times between back-to-back appointments, which can be extremely useful for staying on schedule throughout the day. You'll now be prompted to select how many minutes you want to shorten meetings and appointments that are shorter than an hour. For example, if you usually have 30-minute meetings, you might choose to have them automatically set to end a few minutes early. This setting provides a small window of breathing space between engagements. You'll also want to set the duration for meetings and appointments lasting an hour or longer. This similarity allows you to cut down a standard hour-long meeting to perhaps 50 minutes, again giving you that valuable transition time before your next commitment. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, don't forget to click on Save to ensure your changes are applied. And there you have it, your Outlook calendar is now set up to automatically shorten meeting times, helping you manage your schedule with greater ease. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. By following these steps, managing your time in Outlook calendar should become a smoother experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Have a productive day,